What's going on YouTube, and thanks for coming back for another video. Alright guys, so today's video I'm going to be answering another question that I would say is probably the most question I get asked all the time, and that is, how long do you water your lawn? So let's get right into it, guys. Alrighty guys, so I'm going to try to answer this as fast as I can, I guess. So like I said, there's many things that come into you got to factor in. Number one, like I said, grass type. For example, the backyard, I have ryegrass, which is a cool season, so it really needs a lot of water. And luckily back here I get a good amount of shade, so I'm able to maintain it for the most part. But there's some areas where it gets hit with a lot of sun, but you just gotta water extra pretty much. Okay, my front yard is Bermuda grass, so that one does very well with the sun. It gets hit all day, and honestly guys, I don't even water that one as much. So I'm gonna talk about it right now. So my backyard, I water 30 minutes a day. That's me personally, that's what I do. That's what I figured out is the best time. Now I don't do 30 minutes all at once. I do it early in the morning. Actually, well, not super early. The first 10 minutes, I do them in zones, I guess you could say, or different times. Each time is 10 minutes. So my first time I think goes off about 8 in the morning. It does 10 minutes. My next time is about, I'm trying to remember, I think 11:30 a.m. And then my following time is 2:30 p.m. And every now and then, because if it's, it does reach about 110 sometimes, 105. If it's those days, I'll come out here maybe about 4 or 5 in the afternoon, and any spots is struggling, I'll go ahead and start watering manually with the water hose. So like I said, that's me personally. That's how I water it. That's how I'm able to kind of maintain it myself. Now, I'm not telling you to go and water 30 minutes, because I'm telling you, it's going to be completely different for you. So there's people that's like, oh, you should water 30 minutes all at once, because it's going to, get deep in those roots, and then it's going to allow it to grow and stuff like that. I personally have tried it. It honestly doesn't work for me, guys. It has to be watered. Well, the main reason I don't do it 30 minutes all at once is because kind of hard to tell, but my backyard is actually at a slope. So if I water 30 minutes, there's just like a big old huge puddle right here by the house, and I didn't want to see that. But even though, let's just say I did water 30 minutes straight, believe it or not, guys, if I want to say, for example, if I water at 6 in the morning, 30 minutes straight, 45 minutes straight, by 1 in the afternoon, it's going to be dried up completely, just from how hot it gets out here. So this is the times that I personally water, and it works out for me. Now, for other people, it might be more than that. It might be a lot less than that. So another example is my front yard. My front yard is Bermuda grass, and that's a warm season grass, so that tends to love the heat a little more. And that lawn, it's a smaller lawn, so I water it only 4 times a day. I'm sorry, 4 times a week. And honestly, last year I'm able to do it. I don't know if it's gonna be hotter this year or not, but those 4 times a week, I only water like 12 minutes a day, or 12 minutes each time, and it's able to survive, guys. So that's the main difference. Like I said, if you have a warm season, you probably don't have to water as much, as long, but if you have a cool season, you're trying to keep it green during the summer, you're going to be watering quite a bit. Or if like I said, if you're lucky enough, you get some nice shade, and you can go ahead and get away with it that way. So yeah, guys, like I said, it's honestly going to vary on all these things. Where you live at, what type of grass you have, do you get rain during the summer, do you not get rain? So honestly, I think the best thing to do is you had to like really go out and try yourself, test all these things out. Hey, let me water for this long and try it out. Hey, struggling, oh, you know what, let me put more water. Oh, you know what, it looks like it's puddling up, it's too much water, and you got to cut back. I think that's the best way, to be honest, guys. It's going out yourself and trying to figure out yourself. Try to, because every lawn's gonna vary. Another thing that comes into factor is actually your sprinklers. Your sprinklers might put out a different amount of water than other sprinklers. I'm telling you, it's so many things that come into effect, guys, that you gotta worry about all this stuff. If you want to maintain it, I think you got to go out and really test this stuff out yourself. That's the only way you're really gonna know. If you go off of people, 10 minutes a day, all right, hey, it's dying. Well, then put it a little bit longer. Put it 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes. So that's what I'm saying, guys. I think that's the best way for you guys to figure out, is go on out to your lawns and just try it out. Just start running your sprinkler timers, kind of learning your lawn, kind of seeing what it needs. And hopefully you're able to maintain it this summer. And hopefully you guys I hope I helped you out with this quick little video. And please, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. All right?